What's the time? Can you tell me the time? Confusing? Watch this video. Telling time is easy. Piece of cake. Bye. The clock has 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The clock has two hands. The big hand for the minutes, that looks like a long arrow, and the small hand for the hours, that looks like a short arrow. When the big hand is on the 12 on top, we say o'clock. For example, what time is it? It is 2 o'clock. Or this one, what's the time? It is 8 o'clock. How about this other one? Can you tell me the time? Yes, it is 5 o'clock. When the big hand is on the 3, we say quarter past. For example, what time is it? It is 1:15. How about this one? What's the time? It is 11:15. Or this one, can you tell me the time? It is, that's right. It is 6:15. When the big hand is on the 9, we say 1:45. For example, it is 7:45. What's the time now? Can you tell me? Yes, it is 9:45. Or this one, for example, it is 4:45. Very good. When the big hand is on the 6, we say 1/2. For example, what time is it now? It is 2:30. How about now? What time is it? It is 7:30. And now, can you tell me the time? Yes? Exactly. It is 3:30. But what about the rest of the minutes? Very easy. We count them in 5s. And when the big hand is on the right half of the clock, we say past. For example, 1:05, 1:10, 1:15, 1:20, 1:25, and 1:30. We say past because it is so many minutes past the hour. How about the other half of the clock? The left half. When the big hand is on the left half of the clock, we say 2 because there are so many minutes left to the next hour. 25 to 2. 22 to, 1/4 to, 10 to 2, 5 to 2, 2 o'clock. Well, it's time for my tea now. Tea time. Gotta have my tea.
Welcome to What Time Is It? The game show where 2 contestants have to tell the correct time. Contestant number 1 is Kevin. Welcome, Kevin, and good luck. And now, our reigning champion, Olivia! Welcome back, Olivia, and good luck. Now remember, the first contestant to get 5 correct answers wins the game. Contestants ready? What time is it? That is correct. B, 4 o'clock. Contestants ready? What time is it? That's correct. A, 5:45. Contestants ready? What time is it? Correct. B, 10:10. Contestants ready? What time is it? Oh no. Sorry, Kevin. That is incorrect. Olivia, what time is it? That's correct. B, 5:30. Contestants ready? What time is it? That is correct. C, 8:15. And we have a winner. Congratulations, Olivia, on another win and another trophy. Now it's your turn. Challenge time. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it?
Why are they laughing? Watch this video to find out. On school days, Pat wakes up at 8 o'clock.
Oh no, it's 8:10. I'm late.
Today, Pat is running 10 minutes late. Oh no, 15 minutes late. Pat, it's 8:15. You haven't brushed your teeth yet. During the week, Pat gets dressed at 8:30. But not today. Pat, it's 8:45. You still have to get dressed. Monday through Friday, Pat has breakfast with Olivia and Kevin at 8:45. But not today. Today it's already 9 o'clock.
Where is Pat?
I don't know.
Hello, I'm late. Goodbye.
Pat! Pat!
Yes, Kevin.
It's Sunday.
What? I thought it was Monday.
Quarter past, half past, 1:45. o'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to, o'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to, o'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to, o'clock. When the big hand points at number 3, the time is quarter past, you see. And when the big hand points straight down, then we know it's halfway round. Quarter past, half past, quarter to, o'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to, o'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to, o'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to, o'clock. When the big hand points at number 9, a quarter to is the time. When the big hand points straight to the top, that's when we say o'clock. 12 numbers on the clock face, always in the same place. 12 numbers on the clock face, always in the same place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, o'clock. Quarter past, half past, quarter to, o'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to, o'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to, o'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to, o'clock. 12 numbers on the clock face, always in the same place. 12 numbers on the clock face, always in the same place.